In today's video, I'm going to teach you dissolve an entire edge loop if you're cleaning up topology, reducing unnecessary geometry, or smoothing out surface flow. Dissolving an edge loop is a quick and clean way to do it without punching a hole in your mesh. First, make sure you're working on the right thing. Switch to edit mode and use edge select so you can interact with edges directly. An edge loop is a continuous ring of edges that travels around your model, often following the natural flow of the surface. You don't need to select the entire loop to remove it. Simply click any one edge that belongs to that loop. Picking a single edge is enough for the tool to understand which loop you want to dissolve, as long as it's part of a clean, continuous loop. With that one edge selected, open the Delete menu by pressing X on your keyboard. This menu includes several options that can either remove geometry or merge it in different ways. Instead of deleting, which would leave a gap, choose Dissolve Edge Loops. This is important. Dissolve removes the loop while preserving the surrounding surface, merging the adjacent faces so your model stays intact. When you confirm, you'll see the loop disappear and the area collapse neatly, keeping the overall shape as close as possible to what you had. This is especially useful for simplifying dense areas, maintaining quads when possible, and preparing models for deformation or subdivision. Unlike a hard delete, a dissolve respects the flow of the mesh, so you avoid tearing or creating unwanted holes. A few tips will help you get the best results. If nothing seems to happen, double check that the edge you selected truly belongs to a continuous loop. Irregular poles, triangles, or n-gons can break the loop and prevent a clean dissolve. If the surface shading looks odd afterward, it's often just a normal or topology artifact. You can usually fix that with a quick refresh of shading or by gently adjusting surrounding edges. And if you dissolve the wrong loop, don't worry. Use undo to step back and try again. Use this technique whenever you need to reduce complexity, even out spacing before adding modifiers, or clean up auto-generated topology. It's fast, it's controlled, and it keeps your model intact. That's all there is to it. Select one edge in the loop, press X, and choose Dissolve Edge Loops for a clean, professional result.